Looking for a powerful laptop for creators? Look no further. This is the latest from ASUS. It's their ProArt PX13, the GoPro edition. So if you're into capturing and creating content, you'll want to have a look at this. This thing is power-packed. It also not only has the specs you're probably looking for, it also comes with a 1-year subscription to GoPro as well. Not only do you get the laptop, you get a stylus with it as well for doodling, drawing, sketching, whatever you want, and a handy-dandy little GoPro-inspired case as well to make sure that this thing can go anywhere that you go. This has got a 13.3-inch OLED screen. It's beautiful, bright, and inside this thing is power-packed. It's using the latest from AMD, the AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 chip, and it's got 128 gigabytes of unified RAM memory, which is just amazing. As far as storage, 1 terabyte SSD built into this, and it's got all the ports that you'll want as well. You can see it's got HDMI out on here. It's got the USB Thunderbolt ports as well, so you'll be able to hook up your GoPro. Also has a little SSD slot here as well if you just want to put that in. What I like about this is that not only does it have the power, but it also has the creator workflow. If you're a videographer, photographer, editor, this is important. With the AI built into this, I think goes up to 50 tops. That's trillion operations per second with the NPU. The software is pretty cool. It's got something called StoryCube, and this is important. If you've ever had to organize all the assets you're taking in, it can be time consuming. So what StoryCube does is it uses AI to identify all the different types of media and content that are coming in. You've got snowboarding video or skiing video, biking. It can know that and actually organize it for you. And with Muse Tree, this is kind of cool. It also gives you the ability to create some really cool AI assets as well into your creative workflow, which I think is handy for a lot of the creators out there. And what sets this apart from other laptops as well, it is a touch screen. It comes with the stylus, so you can actually fold this little guy here and use it in tablet mode here for all the different types of paint programs or drawing programs you're using. Also put it into a presentation mode if that's what you need. What I like too is that it's got this ASUS dial on the trackpad. This is kind of cool. So if you're into things like video editing, this is a handy little jog dial here to go back and forth in your video timeline. So it just kind of gives you all these tools power packed into this little package. So this is nice because if you're using GoPros, action cameras, you want something that you can take with you, and having this 13.3-inch form factor here, it really does the trick. It's super light on top of that as well, and I love how thin it is, but this thing is solid. Like if you feel this, it is a rugged, durable little laptop, but it still looks beautiful. It's got kind of that GoPro kind of look and feel to it as well. So in the creator space, there's a lot of options out there, but as far as bang for buck, and that integration with GoPro, this is definitely a laptop that you'll want to have a look at.